Hi everyone. For today's session, we will see how to work in LT Spice for the circuit clipper. Okay, so positive clipper and negative clipper, we will be seeing both the circuits. So the first one, we will see how to design the circuit for negative clipper. So the first step is go to File, New Schematic. So you'll get a screen like this. Now you can see here a component is there, symbol. So go and click it. So for a clipper to be designed, you require a diode, a resistor and a voltage source. So I'm just typing here voltage. So now give OK. Place your voltage here. You can see it will be roaming like this. Nothing to worry, just give a right click so that it vanishes. Next, take diode. You can see the diode, it is here in the screen in the toolbar itself. So just click the diode. So now I'm going to do negative clipper. So for negative clipper, I want my diode to be placed like my anode towards my left side. So I'm just giving Control R so that it rotates. So when it is like this, it is for positive clipper. So for doing negative clipper, I want it to be rotated again. I'm giving Control R and again I'm going to give Control R. So this is what the direction it should be. So now I'm placing it. So another thing will be coming, just right click, it will vanish. Next you require a resistor. So click resistor and place it here. Give right click, it will go. So now I'm going to give the connection. So you can see here a symbol like yellow color pencil symbol is there. So just go to that. It is nothing but the connecting wires. So click that. You'll be getting like this. So when you start, you have to click, and when you have to connect it, for every nook and corner, it should be connected like this. Okay, you have to give a click. Then only it will be connected. Next, click here and connect it to the resistor. Similarly, from the resistor, click there, connect it to the voltage source. So now all the connections is over. Now I have to give the connection for my ground. So click here. Now you can see your ground symbol is there. Take the ground and place it here. Finish. So this is what my connection for negative clipper. So after doing this, this will be the first step. So the second step is I have to name all the components. So for naming the components, I should go to this diode. You can see one hand symbol is there. Right click on it. A dialog box appears like this. Here, give pick new diode. So here I'm going to choose 1N4148. Click that and give OK. You can see that it has been named here. Since it's overlapped, I will just move this and I'm placing it here. So after that, I'm going to name my voltage. So let it be V1 itself. And this, I'm going to give the value for this volt. So right click on it. So here I'm going to give, I require a sine wave, no? So for that, I'm going to give you the three options is there. OK, cancel, advanced. So click on advanced. A box appears like this. So here I require sine wave. So click on sine. So what all the amplitude, height, frequency, everything will be coming here. We have to choose the values for it. So since DC offset is not there for here, I'm going to give 0. And amplitude I'm giving 5. Amplitude is nothing but height of the sine wave. I hope everyone knows that. And for frequency, I'm just giving 1K. It will be considered in hertz. So now just give OK. So you can see it is being named. And now resistor value I'm giving 10K. So go there, right click, here put 10K and give OK. So I finished naming the components. So my next step is I have to simulate it. So go to simulate. You can see here edit simulation command is there. So click that. And here stop time I'm just giving 5 millisecond. So the stop time you will be having a wonder why we are giving the stop time. So to get a complete one complete clock period of a sine wave, we require 1 millisecond. So here I'm putting 5 millisecond means I require the for time to get 5 complete complete time period of a sine wave. So I will show you when my output comes. So now give OK. So just place it here somewhere. So now everything is over. The next step is I'm going to run it. You can see this symbol, just run it. Just run it. So like this it will be coming. Now I go to this window which is top there. Click the window, tile window. I'm changing it. So now here I want to see my input and my output separately. So I'm just clicking here in this place and go doing right click and you can see the options here. I'm going to give add plot pane. So I'm giving that. So two section will be coming. So now click on the first one to check your input. So now again I have to go to run. Now what I should do is to check my input voltage. You can see the red icon cursor. This red icon it depicts that my voltage value is going to be entered there. So I'm going to click here. Can you see this sine wave? So the sine wave it is perfect. Whatever we gave, you can see that in sine wave we gave this value that is 5 and amplitude as 5. So positive 5 volt and negative 5 volt the wave is being generated. And another thing which we gave in simulate we gave 5 millisecond, right? So that is nothing but so from this point to this point it is 1 millisecond. Okay, one complete clock period. So I'm for getting that one complete clock period, the time required was 1 millisecond. So similarly, this is second, 2 millisecond. This is 3 millisecond. So for this 4 and for this 5. So now you understand that this is what we gave in simulate edit command. We gave 5 milliseconds. So you got it like this. If we give 6, another one would have been come. Okay. So my input is fine. So now just click on the second plot and now again go to run and keep the cursor in this register place. Click it. Fine. So now you can see. So I have designed the circuit for negative clipper. Okay. So it is, you can see that it is the wave it is in the positive side, whereas the negative side is flipped off. Okay. So to show you the difference, I'm clicking my cursor in the input itself. And again, I'm showing you, you can click here. Can you see this? So for better understanding, I'm putting it here. So now this green color line is your input. This blue color line is your output. So since it is negative clipper, the negative side of the wave is being clipped off. So that is what clearly shown in your second plane. Understood? Fine. So now I'm going to do for positive clipper. The same circuit, I want to change the direction of my diode. That's it. So I'm going to go to this cut. I'm going to cut this. Now I'm going to take diode and I'm going to place here. So I want the direction to be changed. So I'm giving Control R. Now I'm placing it here. Okay. So I want to name this diode, right? So go there, click right click. Same procedure. Pick new diode. I'm choosing IN4148. Click that and give OK. Fine. So if it is merging also no problem. Just for your understanding, I'm doing this. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to give simulate run. I have to give simulate edit simulation command. So here I'm giving just I'll give 6. So for your differentiation I'll give 6 and show you the way. Give OK. So the next thing you can see the run option. Give click run. Okay. So now window tile vertically. Click here. Right click it and choose add plot plane. So two planes comes here. So click on the first plane. Right click it. Okay, just click it. Now go to run option. So I want to see my inputs. I'm keeping the cursor in the voltage portion. You can see my sine wave has come. Can you find the difference between the first wave and the second wave? Here I've given 6 milliseconds. So you can see. So 6 complete clock period I would have got here. So that is what this. Okay. So now I'm going to click my cursor in the second plane to see my output. Go to run option. I'm keeping my cursor near the resistor. Now you can see. So since the circuit is for positive clipper, the positive side of my wave is just clipped off. Okay. For a better understanding, I will do it in the input portion itself. So click the cursor in the input portion. Again go to run. You keep your cursor near the resistor. You can see the difference. So the positive side of the wave is being clipped off. So only the negative side is present. Understood? So this is what the circuit diagram for clipper and positive clipper and negative clipper. So I hope this video is useful for you. If you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.